Stop the stigma.
Stop the stigma.
Stop the stigma.
Stop the stigma. The way things are portrayed, that somebody is mentally ill, are reckless, simplistic, stereotypical, inaccurate. They're real myths.
We decided to do an honest look at mental illness because it's such an important topic and it rarely gets talked about. And the fact that we're doing it tonight with the help of Hartford HealthCare in this big public forum is really important to this community.
Stop the stigma.
Dr. Hank Schwartz.
Stigma stands in the way of everything that we're trying to do for patients who suffer from mental illness.
Stop the stigma. Andrew Solomon is a writer. Andrew Solomon is someone who deals with the mental illness of depression. Andrew Solomon isn't totally defeated by having that need.
Don't automatically assume that because someone has a mental illness that they are of incredibly low intelligence, because a lot of people with mental illness may be a lot more intelligent than you realize.
Stigma should stop because everyone should have the opportunity, not based on their mental illness or what their family genetics are. They should be seen as who they are and what strength they could bring to the table.
The idea of stigma is kind of just the sense of there's secrecy or shame around these topics, like depression, like suicide, and that just kind of inevitably keeps people out from having the conversation, from having the dialogue.
It stands in the way of our making advances in research. It stands in the way of creating the appropriate treatment services. And then it stands in the way of individuals with mental illness seeking the kind of care that they need.
Stop the stigma.
Stop the stigma.
Stop the stigma.